Imagine a world where cars drive themselves, gliding effortlessly on the roads with pinpoint precision. Autonomous vehicles, powered by advanced AI sensors and cameras, promise to transform our understanding of transportation. These technological marvels can perceive their surroundings, analyze traffic patterns, and make split-second decisions to enhance safety, reduce human error, and provide an unparalleled travel experience. These self-driving cars are not just a futuristic fantasy, but a rapidly progressing reality. Equipped with layers of sophisticated sensors, including radar, LIDAR, and high-definition cameras, these cars create a detailed 3D map of their environment. Through continuous data processing, they can identify road signs, pedestrians, and obstacles, adjusting their route and speed accordingly. The integration of AI allows these vehicles to learn from each trip, continuously improving their navigation and decision-making capabilities. While the current focus is on road navigation, the future landscape of autonomous vehicles extends beyond traditional asphalt. Imagine solar-powered cars recharging as they travel, their panels gleaming under the sunlight. These environmentally friendly vehicles not only reduce our carbon footprint, but also offer a sustainable alternative to fossil fuel-dependent transportation. Battery-operated models add another layer of eco-friendliness, promising long travel distances with minimal environmental impact. The horizon of autonomous vehicles is not confined to the ground. Visualize flying vehicles effortlessly hovering above congested roads, offering an elegant solution to urban traffic woes. These flying machines, equipped with similar advanced navigation systems, could revolutionize daily commutes and intercity travel, making the skies as operable as the roads. This aerial mobility opens up a new dimension of transport that was once only envisioned in sci-fi dreams. Even the waters are not untouched by this technological evolution. Picture self-driving boats cruising through waterways, their systems flawlessly navigating ever-changing currents and tides. With the incorporation of sensors and AI, these autonomous vessels could drastically reduce maritime accidents and enhance shipping efficiencies, creating smoother and safer marine operations. This advancement extends the convenience and innovation of self-driving technology to all corners of our travel infrastructure. Looking forward, the possibilities for autonomous vehicles seem boundless. Envision a seamless integration of these advanced vehicles into everyday life, efficient, safe, and ubiquitous. Fleets of self-driving cars could operate as communal ride shares, reducing the number of vehicles on the road and alleviating traffic congestion. The enhanced safety mechanisms could lead to a dramatic decrease in traffic-related fatalities, making roads safer for everyone. The potential of autonomous vehicles to revolutionize transportation is immense. Each innovation represents a step closer to a more connected, efficient, and sustainable future. From solar-powered cars to flying vehicles, the dream of a fully autonomous transportation ecosystem is becoming a palpable reality, ready to redefine how we perceive and engage with the world of travel. Pause. The future is not just near, it's here, reshaping our roads, skies, and waterways.